labas na kahiyan. Ang tunay na kagandahan ay nasa inyo na pong harapan. A beauty without a brain is like a pearl without a shell. A fish without a pond, like a body without a soul. Beauty, if the brain is empty, is standing in front of you and only eating your soul's stunner. An AB Communication Arts student from the Royal Pontifical University of Santo Tomas. My name is Maria Pesa Matasyon Min Ashley na Mike Erica May Montesilio, but tonight, please don't allow me to stand by the name. The proud lady who captures the heart of Mr. Ryan Agoncillo. Esperanza ng buhay nyo. Sabay-sabay natin palakpakan. Hiyawan, Miss Judy Ann Santos. Alright, Pitong girl, Miss Judy Ann Santos.